Meaning of incubator.
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 Incubator. An incubator is a supportive environment where new ideas, businesses, or projects can grow and develop. It's often used to describe an organization or program that provides resources and assistance, such as funding, mentorship, and office space, to help startups and entrepreneurs get off the ground. The goal of an incubator is to nurture these early-stage ventures until they become self-sustaining and successful. Incubators can be found in many industries, including technology, healthcare, and agriculture. They play a critical role in fostering innovation and driving economic growth by helping to create new jobs and industries.